Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Isaac Obi. I'm a phytomedicine researcher and practitioner. I'm also CEO for Maxo and Alex Herbal. This evening, I'll be talking to you about the health benefits of palm wine. The health benefits of palm wine. Now, palm wine is a ready brew of nature. It is ready for use in real time and without embellishment. It has several health benefits, especially when consumed fresh. Okay? I want you to underline it. When consumed when fresh and in pure, unadulterated form. The point needs to be made that commercial palm wine, the one you buy all around, is more often adulterated with narcotic agents, preservatives, and sweeteners. There are two major species of palm in Nigeria. The oil palm, the one you're familiar with, Elias guinness, that's the scientific name, and then the raffia palm, Raffia cookery. Those are the two palms that are popular for production of palm wine. Now, palm wine can be obtained from both species. The quality of wine is similar in both species, but there are, of course, cultural preferences for each of the species when it comes to production of wine. How is palm wine obtained from palm tree? A lot of people drink palm wine, they don't know how it's obtained. Palm wine is actually the sap of palm tree. The sap is extracted from the cut flower. You know the flower of palm wine, of palm tree. You cut that flower. So when the flower is cut, a container is fastened to the flower stump to collect the dripping sap. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Now the whitish liquid initially collected is very sweet and non-alcoholic. I mean non-alcoholic. Through the action of endogenous yeast, within 2 hours, or let's say between 2 to 24 hours, depending on the environmental factors, fermentation yields an aromatic wine of up to 4 to 5% alcohol content. That's beer level, mildly intoxicating and very sweet. Let's look at the nutritional profile of palm wine. What is the nutritional profile? It contains vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6. I think it contains vitamin C, phosphorus, fat, sugars, proteins, minerals, trace elements, lactic acid, acetic acid, esters, potassium, zinc, magnesium, and iron. All these in palm wine. Are you with me? Let's look at the biochemical components of palm wine. Palm wine is rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, carotenoids, isoflavones, saponins, gallic acid, lignans, galangine, caffeic acid, p-coumaric acid, melatonin. There's another bioactive compound present. I'm trying to wrap my brain. Protocatechusic acid. Protocatechusic acid. That's the name of the acid. That name is jaw breaking. These are some of the bioactive compounds that are present in palm wine. Next, I would want us to talk about the health benefits of palm wine. I've heard a lot of people talk about the fact that palm wine is demonic. A spiritualist was talking to me a couple of days back. He told me that there are 24 demons inside palm wine. But in reality, I have found out that palm wine has about 24 health benefits. He's seeing 24 demons. I'm seeing 24 health benefits. To start with, it's an immune booster, number one. Number two, it improves digestion. Number three, it lowers cholesterol. Number four, it promotes liver health. Number five, it relieves stress, anxiety, and it induces sleep. Number seven, it prevents anemia. Number eight, it aids weight loss. If you are overweight and you want to lose weight, palm wine will help. Number nine, it improves bone health. Number 10, it has strong anti-inflammatory property. Number 11, or number 12, it promotes skin health. Number 13, it boosts energy. Number 14, it fights infection. Number 15, it improves brain function, memory. If you if you are battling with eczema symptoms and all that, or if you're just the kind of person that cannot retain memory, you don't have retentive memory, palm wine is very good. It improves eyesight. A lot of people know that. It improves cardiovascular function. It improves the health of your heart and your circulatory system. It helps in treatment of rash and measles. Um, it increases breast milk. It helps with lactation, like I said earlier, and it has anti-cancer property. Anti-cancer property. Me, I want to drink palm wine. This is palm wine. This is cold palm wine from my refrigerator. With all these health benefits, I don't think I can wait till the end of this video. Join me. It tastes very good. So like I was saying, it has anti-cancer property. It accelerates wound healing and tissue repair to regeneration. It treats erectile dysfunction. It boosts sperm production. It treats malaria fast. It flushes out intestinal worms and treats inflammation and wounds in the stomach and intestine. And why does all this? I'll tell you. These are some of the health benefits of drinking palm wine. I'll go ahead to explain to you how and why palm wine is able to do all this. I'll link these health benefits to the bioactive compounds that are present, and I'll tell you how it works. Yeah, so next I want to talk about the mode of action of the bioactive compounds present inside palm wine. I say like how they are able to take care of all these ailments that I talked about. Now I talked about 24 health benefits. Now, number one, palm wine antioxidant content and strong antimicrobial property is responsible for its capacity to boost the immune system. Palm wine has been experimentally proven to have strong antioxidant property. It contains phenolic compounds, it contains flavonoids. You know, I mentioned all of them. Those are strong antioxidants. And its antimicrobial property. Assays have been conducted in labs to come to realize that it's able to inhibit lots of microorganisms. Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas, a lot of them. So those are the two factors that are responsible for its ability to boost immunity. So if there's an invading pathogen, if you drink a lot of palm wine, the bacteria or the virus will die in your system naturally. So the natural fermentation process produces what we call probiotics and enzymes that aid digestion and promote gut health. It also promotes bile secretion, which is essential for digestion. You know, I talked about the fact that when palm wine is first starts, the sap is very sweet and non-alcoholic, but between 2 to 24 hours, fermentation takes place. So the process of fermentation produces probiotics, and they are very useful for digestion. Now, thirdly, the presence of tryptophan, the least abundant in every food, and is also a precursor for serotonin. It supports the claim that palm wine is hypnotic. Some people say it's spiritual, it's hypnotic, has antidepressant property, and is sleep inducer. So it is the presence of that tryptophan that accounts for this. The iron and abundant vitamins, the iron and abundant vitamin content accounts for its capacity to improve hair growth and maintain healthy skin and nails. Palm wine's unique potassium content helps reduce blood pressure, and generally improves cardiovascular function. Vitamin B complex, vitamin C, present in palm wine, helps to build connective tissues of blood vessels in the eyes, thus preventing diseases like cataract and macular degeneration. The yeast in palm wine is also essential for healthy eyes and clear vision. Palm wine is able to improve sperm production and treat ED because it has capacity to raise testosterone level and boost nitric acid production. Now, the presence of water-soluble vitamins and essential amino acids in palm wine accounts for its effectiveness in promoting the regeneration of brain cells. So those are the two factors that make palm wine the first choice if you're having memory loss. The presence of what? Soluble vitamins and what? Essential amino acid is very rich in both. Now, because of the presence of polyphenols, it is able to improve pancreatic beta cell function and stimulate insulin secretion with concomitant inhibition of glycolytic and carbohydrate digestion or digesting enzymes. And of course, you know anything that can inhibit glycolytic and carbohydrate digesting enzyme will lead to a reduction in blood sugar level. So while it is doing this, it is simultaneously attenuating oxidative pancreatic injuries and pro-inflammatory expressions. This is how palm wine deals with blood sugar, because I said it earlier that it's capable of lowering elevated blood sugar levels. Let me drink a little. So having said that about its ability to lower blood sugar level, its broad spectrum antimicrobial property is also responsible for its capacity to inhibit Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. These ones have been experimentally proven. If you have Staphylococcus that is not healing, that is not going, that is recurring, take palm wine. It is very effective in treatment of acute diarrhea in children due to the release of what we call polyamines. Polyamines help to repair the mucous membrane of the alimentary canal of children. So that's about its antimicrobial property. Now, fresh, underline what I'm saying, fresh, unadulterated and unfermented palm wine has the capacity to improve breast milk production in both quality and quantity. Fresh, unadulterated, unfermented palm wine. Not the ones that they peddle on the street. Those ones can contain narcotic, and you'll be injecting both alcohol and narcotic into the little baby. Fresh, talk to the palm wine tapper, pay him well, he'll give you fresh palm wine. Yes, so that's about that. Our time is fast spent, but I'll take one more. After palm wine is consumed, the activation of B vitamins, that's the activation of B vitamin metabolism, as well as the metabolism of sulfate and sulfides, leads to increased antioxidant activity as well as generation of essential cofactors that are required for what? For DNA repair. Did I say more? Palm wine is the bomb.